guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy sweet potato bread. Believe it or not, this bread only contains 5 ingredients, most of which you'll find in your kitchen cupboard. So let's get cooking. The ingredients for this recipe are as follows. So you need 300 grams of sweet potatoes, you need 300 grams of plain flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 65 ml of water, and then 3 tablespoons of olive oil. This bread's main ingredients are sweet potatoes, which are good because they provide the body with antioxidants, which helps to prevent illnesses when we become older. They're also good for gut health and they fill us up, so this bread will help you feel fuller for longer. push down with your palm and lift, stretch up with your fingers. So I'll do that again. Squish down with your palm, lift up with your fingers. And the reason we knead it is because the flour in the dough contains gluten, and kneading warms up this gluten and stretches the strands to make it elasticy and springy, and also adds air to the mixture. So it adds these air bubbles when we knead it so that it can be a springy and spongy dough. So now that we've kneaded our dough, we can just pop it out onto our tray. And then what we want to do is kind of just spin it in circular motions, kind of pat it down, just so it's So to check that the bread is cooked, you can just use your knife, and if you can hear the crisp on the outside, then you know it's ready.